All right, guys, so it's come time for the M5 to find its new home. We're kicking it out of the shop. Not really, but we do need some extra space in there. So it would be nice if we could sell this thing. We utilize the same money that's tied up in it to go buy a bunch more stuff for the channel and bring more content. So it's a car we don't really drive anymore, and it's getting moved in and out of the shop all the time. So the battery's running down on it. We're having to put it on a trickle charger and all this other stuff. We've done a tremendous amount of stuff to this car. We did all the rod bearings, the best of the best of everything. ARP studs, ARP bolts. We've done all the control arms. When we first got it, remember we had the ECU had water damage because the drain backed up on the ECU box, which is common on E60 from rainwater, and we fixed all that. Replaced a tremendous amount of stuff on it, all the control arms, all the brakes, has brand new tires on it. Did rear control arms, and this car we got, it had Flowmaster mufflers on it, if you guys remember. Took all that off, has now muffler delete, so it is loud, but we kept all the catalytic converters, so if you live in the city, you can still get it smogged. Trying to think, throttle actuators, like all the big money stuff's been done. It's been a very reliable car, and it will make somebody a very nice driver, which is more than I could say for most of them on the market. Most of them on the market are kind of rough, and they have not had the rod bearings, and have not had a lot of the expensive stuff done to them. This one's also had new clutch recently. It's also had SMG pump done. That was done right before we got it, and just an endless amount of stuff done to it to get it to where it's at today. So if you're interested, we'll put my email address, I guess, below, and we'll let you guys, somebody on here that watches the videos wants to buy it, that's fine. We'll give it a few days, and we'll list it for sale on Facebook, and nobody wants to buy it off of here. And we are located in Missouri, so we're about an hour south of St. Louis, if that helps anything. And that's it. But it's definitely one of the few M5s this color. You don't see very many of these. We'll let Philip get in there. And we did do the black grills in it. It's got the black corner marker lights. Any little bit of modification has been very tasteful, and it's all done up to make the car look a little better and just perform a little better overall. Safety updates, like I said, the rod bearings and so forth. This does have the LCI tail lights. So this is a 2006. It does have 102 or 103,000 miles on it, which is about average. It's usually the mileage everybody wants to sell them because all the maintenance is due. But all the maintenance has been done on this one, and yeah, the market's definitely gone up a lot. And like I said, hopefully make one of the viewers a nice home. But that's gonna be it, guys. I guess we'll talk to you very soon with another video. We'll see y'all later. Have a good day.